In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view emails and activities in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review what's happened on an item, see related emails and updates, and quickly filter the history by teammates so you can get answers fast. Start on your Monday.com home. From here, head to Workspaces. Think of Workspaces as your team's hub. They keep boards and projects tidy and make it simple to find the items you care about. Choose the workspace that holds the work you want to review. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, take a moment to pick the one where your team's boards live so everything you see next is relevant. Inside the workspace, you'll notice a plus sign to add new content. Click it and select Folder to create a clean spot to group your boards. Then choose Board to add a new board inside that folder. This gives you a structured place to manage items and track their activity over time. If the board you need already exists, you can open it directly instead of creating a new one. Following this flow just helps keep everything organized and easier to find later. Open the board and click the specific item you want to investigate. This opens the item's details panel on the right. Here, look for the Activity Log tab and click it. The activity log is your timeline of everything that's happened on this item: status changes, field edits, assignments, due date updates, and more. If your team uses the Emails and Activities feature, you'll also see related emails and activity captured alongside these changes. That means you get the full story, the conversation, and the progress in one place without leaving the item. Once you're in the log, scroll through to review the history. Each entry shows who made the change and when it happened, so you can quickly piece together what led to the current state. To narrow things down, open the filter option at the top of the log and choose person. Filtering by a specific teammate is perfect when you need to confirm who updated a field, who sent an email, or exactly when a particular change was made. If something seems missing, double check that you're on the correct item and that your team has connected emails to the item using the approved tools for your account. Permissions and workspace access can also affect what you see. That's it. You went from home to your workspace, organized your boards, opened an item, found the activity log, and filtered it by person.